Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a tiny diamond from the Trolls movie. So let's get started. To draw this tiny little troll, let's first start by drawing his nose. So I'm going to come right here with a wide curve, so right in the center. And then I'm going to bring it down on the sides right here with another curve. And we're basically going to finish off the nose with 3 curves. So 2 on the side and one bigger one right in the center. From there, I'm going to go up right in the center of this nose. I'm going to go straight up, so I'll say about right here. Since it's easier for my hand to come down, I'm just going to create a straight line. And from there, I'm going to go up and curve out. So we're going to start to draw his glasses, and same thing on this side. And before, well, you know what? Let's come over here. I'm going to finish this side first. I'm going to go straight across. So we're kind of drawing a square. So let's come back down right here where his nose is in this area. And I'm going to go straight across as well. So make this a little bit straighter. So we're just aiming to draw a rounded off square. So about right here, I'm going to stop and round this part off as well, this corner, and come straight down and then round off this corner. Then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So come straight across and come down here, go straight, and just imagining a square, so about right here. I'm going to start to come down, go straight down, and round off my corner. So that's the basic shape for the glasses. So then let's come in here, and I'm going to thicken the center line right here on both sides. And I'm going to go up. So I'm just going to give my glasses a frame right here. And I'm following the outside. And then at the bottom right here, it's just slightly thinner. And go right across. So exactly the same thing over here. And the glasses, the frames are black, so that's why I'm just making a mess right here. It doesn't matter because I'm going to shade it all in black. And once again, right across to create the frames. So I'm just going to come in here and shade this in all black so it's a little bit easier to see. So thank you for all the love you've given me for the Trolls drawings. Well, my old Troll drawings, but I'm definitely going to draw more from the new movie. So definitely let me know in the comments below which other characters you want me to draw from Trolls World Tour. There's just so many cute characters, and the movie looks really fun with all the music going on. So I'm hoping it is. Okay, so got the glasses in now. Then let's come into this corner right here, and we're going to draw a circle. So I'll say about right here. I'm just going to pop in a circle right on the edge. So same thing right here. And I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes. So come in here with 2 small circles for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. So same thing over here. There. Now we're going to draw his eyebrow. So come right above the eye, and we're going to touch the eye with a straight line, and then we're going to angle it out. This gives him a lot of character, right? Because he's so cool. There. So you just thicken this. And then from there, underneath his nose, we're going to draw his mouth. So I'm just going to come about right here and draw a curve up, give him a smirk. And let's add a deeper curve right here to finish it off. And let's draw his teeth. there's just a curve in here. And I'm just going to shade this in so it's a little bit easier to see for his mouth. You can cap it off on the ends if you like. And that is pretty much it for that part. And then now we can go ahead and draw his face. So come to where your glasses are on both sides, just nice and even on both sides. And we're going to create a curve going all the way around close to the mouth. So I'm going to start right here. Just a simple curve. And connect. There. Then now we can go ahead and come in this area right here, this little corner, and I'm going to draw a circle. So this is for his, I assume they're diamond earrings because he is tiny diamond, right? So I'm just going to put in a big circle right there. And we're going to come in this area and draw his ear. So kind of like the middle of his glasses. Let's come up here and pop in his ear. So it's just a curve that comes right back down. Then come in here and just add a curve for some details. And same thing on the other side. So right kind of in the center. And come right back in. And once again, the inside detail. So it's just a curve. Now we can go ahead and draw his awesome hair. So I'm going to tuck it in right here. So I'm going to go up with some strands and same thing over here. So we just want to have, we're just going to slowly build up this, kind of looks like a flame, right? So I'm just going to go back and forth and just remembering my center. So just ballpark it about right here. I'll stop. So come right here. And I'm coming towards the center. I'm just going to give it another zigzag to break it up. And come right back down. There. And you can add, you know what, I'm going to do those lines when I'm coloring it. I don't want to muddle up the Sharpie because his hair is kind of white. But I'll just come in here and draw a little bit lines, give some more detail right here. Now we can go ahead and draw his body now that we're done with his head. So thank goodness his body is really simple compared to the head. So right here, I'm going to center the body. So it's just a little curve because he is tiny. And his tummy, round it off and connect. And his feet, so I'm going to come right here in the center and I'm just going to angle out 2 lines and right here. So it gets a little bit thicker at the end. That's the difference with these troll feet. So then come down a little bit more and I'm just going to simplify it by adding a curve and bringing it in. So I'm totally simplifying it just to make it a little bit easier to draw. From there, let's come in this area. We're going to draw his hands. So I'm going to come right here, round off a little bit, and I'm having his arms come out. So from there, now we have his arms in. Let's draw the fingers. So I'm going to come right here, extend it out for a thumb, and come down for the index. And then right here, we're going to curl in 2 fingers that are bent. And then just connect it whatever space you have left. Because he's really cool, so he's doing that thing with his hands. Okay, so same thing over here. Just start with the arms first. And then once again, we're going to come out for his thumb. Just going to make sure my finger is about right there. His finger, and then once again, 2 little ovals for his bent fingers, and then just connect it. Okay, hopefully that wasn't too difficult. There. And then of course I'm going to add a heart right here because he's my tiny diamond from Trolls. So there, hope you love how this little guy turned out and it inspires you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.